Lesson number 24th. Welcome in Inspiring English Academy. You will get 4 seconds after every question. Listen to the question. Answer the question and get fluency in English. For better results, practice it many times. Subscribe and share this video. Answer the questions. How old were you when you first saw an ocean? Which ocean? Have you ever taken a beach vacation? Where did you go? Did you sunbath, jog, or read on the beach? Did you swim or wade in the waves? When is your favorite time to be on the beach? Dawn, noon, or dusk? Why? What makes this time special at the beach? What activities do you like to do at the beach? Do you have any photographs of the beach? Can you describe a favorite one? What are some beach souvenirs that tourists can buy? Which seas and oceans have you seen? Which was most stormy? Which was most calm? Most beautiful? Which ocean or sea was coldest? Which was most warm? Subscribe and share this video. Have a happy learning with us.